Hello students. Hello students. Welcome to my class Physics in Your Life. Today we are going to start a new concept of this chapter, motion. This chapter belongs to class 9th and this is our fourth part of the complete chapter. This video is prepared by Tushar Bharadwaj. So let's get started. Objectives. Students will be able to write the concept of rate, they will be able to define the term acceleration, and they will be able to distinguish between its types. Okay, so now what is rate? It is defined as the ratio of change in two quantities. Okay, if we'll take a statement rate of change of velocity, okay, it means velocity is changing with time. Okay, so we have to write or calculate the change by subtracting the final value and initial value of the physical quantity given. Okay, so according to that statement, rate of change of velocity, we have to subtract final velocity from initial velocity from final velocity. Okay, so this is what the meaning of rate is. In physics, the word rate refers to how much one quantity changes when another quantity changes. Okay, I hope you understood this small concept. Okay, let's move ahead. Now, acceleration. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity per unit time. Okay, when velocity changes with time, then the rate of that velocity will be considered as acceleration. Okay, and it is denoted by a vector. This arrow means direction and this a is representing magnitude here. So a vector have both magnitude as well as direction. Okay, and its SI unit is meter per second square and it is a vector quantity. Okay, so the formula here derived from this statement, rate of change of velocity per unit time, is final velocity v minus initial velocity u divided by time. Okay, so the meaning of rate symbolizes here the value, final value, subtract from the initial value, subtract from the final value. Okay, and with respect to time. So this is the formula for acceleration. Okay students, now we have two types of acceleration: positive acceleration and negative acceleration. If velocity increases with time, okay, for example, if velocity of a car is 5 meter per second and after 2 minutes its velocity becomes 10 kilometer per hour or 10 kilometer per minute, okay, or 10 meter per second, so in this case velocity increases with time, so this acceleration is positive acceleration. And if brakes are applied in the car, then its velocity will goes on decreasing. So in this case acceleration will be considered as negative acceleration. Okay, this type of acceleration is also called retardation. Okay students, I hope you understood this small concept of acceleration in a very easy manner. Thank you.